Hello friends, now I'm going to start to talk with you about duties of consumers. Generally, some important questions are there, right? Duties, reasons for the consumer exploitation, and the reasons and the forms of the consumer. These are the four questions in consumer exploitation which could be usually important, right? Out of these four, any two sometimes ask. So I have made the block. You remember forms of consumer exploitation, second, reasons for consumer exploitation, third, rights of consumers, and fourth, duties of consumers. So now the fourth one I am going to discuss, duties of consumers. Okay, as the consumers are cautious, means alert about their right, same way consumers have to be responsible to follow the duties about his own awareness regarding purchasing the goods or getting the services from other person or the seller or the producer. So first one is purchase the commodity or the service by making correct choice. So first you make the underline as I am explaining. Purchase a commodity or a service by making correct choice. This is your first point. Second, here you have to understand how can we decide the quality? How can we decide the choice? Good quality, reasonable price, guarantee warranty card, after sales service, everything we need to get informed properly. We have to check all these things. The quality must be good, the price must be reasonable, guarantee or warranty, whatever is given to us, after sales service condition, we have to decide all these things. Okay, thereafter we have to purchase the goods by checking its different standard signs like ISI mark, BIS hallmark, egg mark. These all things we have to check first. In the first duty, all these things are included. And in regarding electric goods or electronic goods, priority is given to the standards based branded product. So in the first duty, first I said make correct choice. Now the point comes, correct choice at what basis? Good quality, reasonable prices, thereafter guarantee warranty card or the guarantee warranty information must be given to us. What kind of the after sales service the company is providing us? Is it BIS hallmarked, ISI marked, or egg marked sign having product or not? See, these three signs, BIS hallmark, ISI mark, and egg mark, these three signs are making quality alertness in the customer about the quality of the product. Mostly when we are going to purchase electric product or electronic product, we have to purchase most probably standard goods or branded goods. So all kind of the test must be completed. Is that clear? So we have to be alert about all these things. That is necessary, right? Okay. This is the first duty I discussed. Now the second point, we have to make the choice about awareness of information must be completed by consumer from his own side. Means consumer has to get the information first before purchasing whatever is given in the advertisement. Is it and is it surely followed the product or not? We have to be aware to decide. Okay. In regarding that, a consumer has to be intelligent. No one could cheat. Calculative, common sense having. These three quality of the consumer in always essential when we are going to market, right? So the product must come to us without being cheated. We have to check labels, the information given on the product. The detail is must be compared with the advertisements, what they are declaring in the general manner. Is it same information is being followed or not? Everything is required to be checked. Okay, means the second point is there. Consumer has to check all detail about product, right? Okay. Now the third point is consumer has to be good, gentle behavior having behavioral attitude having person. The consumer has to show. The market says consumer is the king. King, it means what? Should be behavioral better is the word. We have to careful. Okay. Sometime it happens the seller or producer are in the streets, in the market, in the days of the festival. When we enter the place, it does not mean that all the time every one person will be ready for us. Okay, welcome sir. They will do naturally. But to behave gentle, it is our duty. If we behave in wrong way, then we cannot expect good behavior from the traders or the sellers with us. Fourth point is a consumer should insist on having original bill. This is important word. Original bill means we have to ask to give us bill or receipt for paying whatever we are when we are doing purchase. He should also insist on getting warranty card. Any consumer has to insist guarantee or warranty card. See, when we are purchasing, he informs us. Okay, he informed that this kind of the warranty you will get. But guarantee or warranty word is not enough. We must get guarantee card in our hand. Then it is a proof. When we have any problem, we can ask them. Right? With that card, the seal of the shop or the seller and signature himself of the seller is must on that guarantee or warranty card. So seal means stamp is essential to be given on the card. So it could be accepted by others when any problem may arise. It is a proof that we have purchased. Is that clear? Okay. Now the fifth point is consumers should come together and require to form a voluntary consumer organization at non-political and non-commercial level to help other consumers to fight in a legal way to solve problems relating to consumer exploitation complaints. See, this is most important. Unity has the greatest strength is the word or the maxim in the world. So if the consumers are united, their voice will become more strong. It is said that in one story that one person had called his four sons to bring different sticks. Every son came with the different sticks, gave in hands of the father. Father started to break individual sticks. Here you can see what could happen. Every stick was broken. Thereafter again he asked to bring sticks. Again all sons brought sticks. He again broke single, then tried to break two, most probably broken. Then he again called and then he tried to break three, some bent but not broken. And laterly when he again called to brought four sticks, and he then showed that all four sticks he took in hands and tried to broken, but not even a single stick was bent. It means when you are a single, how much you are capable is not a word, but your voice is not enough. But if you are united and come together, your voice will be rise, even though every single is a weak, but the weak people's united voice is the great voice. Right, my friends? So here it shows that they must create organization, should fight for the consumers exploitation based complaints. They should ask for representation in a different government committees relating to the consumer exploitation. So the duty of the consumer is that he should fight against exploitation. This is the basic duty. Should fight. If we will not fight, the result will not come to us. Means we have to fight first. Then the result will come. Is that clear? Okay. The sixth point is consumer should make verbal or a written communication to the officer regarding any complaint of consumer exploitation without fail. This is the important word. We have to make our complaint by verbal way or by written way without fail. We have to do. They should also take cooperation of different consumer organization or non-profitable institution, that is called NGO. NGO or the trust for the consumers are working. They are not working for getting profit, but they are working as the social service to help other consumers to prevent or to stop other complaints to arise in wider interest of other consumers. This is important word. You have to remember that the consumer has to work very well if he want to show better result. Otherwise the result will not come if we will not work as it is essential. Right, my friends? Okay, now the next point comes. Purchasing the product, consumer has not to make compromise, has to be alert about the quality of product and safety of life, because any compromise in the quality, it could harm life, in a larger scale. So when we are going to purchase, we have to be alert about packing, about rate, about date of manufacturing, about expire date, about batch number, weight of product, whatever is printed, and the equally is it or not. That is the main thing. See, your weight is written 100 ml, but when you try to weight, it becomes 60 ml. Means 40 ml is written false, and actual product is not of the same. That is the thing, that is the happening these days. So it needed to be stopped. Means exact weight is not, or accurate weight is given, that we have to check. Name of the producer, in whichever the name the product is given to us, is as the same the brand is or not. Sometime the equally look alike spelling are used. Just I give the example. Some type of the font in use of the write the spelling in different style of the letters. Crompton is the word, may be written on the fan, but here is very much nearer, N is at last. Crompton, P, then actual spelling is CROMPTON. Here they may add A. So actual when you try to speak, Crompton is look alike the same, but exact spelling is wrong of the brand Crompton. So how the spelling has been written showed the duplication or the original product. That we have to be alert. This example is very important. So many kind of the product are coming, look alike but not exact the same brand. What we need to know. Okay. Thereafter, while purchasing a product, consumer need to find the product may not be adulterated, mixed. In the oil the mixing is possible. Duplicated, fake, as I have given the example of the Crompton. Decrease in weight, what I have said, written is 100 ml but actual is 60 ml. Should immediately bring to the notice of traders. See, he is getting the product from the producer. At every product, he is also trusting to the producer. Here I am not saying that the all traders are cheater. But when he has taken the one piece is of the same one, so the same bunch will come, he will allow to put in a one side. Then some stock will brought in the showcase. Out of it, any consumer has taken, and if he find it is of the less weight, then he should brought notice to the trader that these producers' goods are not in complete exact weight. So by that help, sometimes the trader will also get the notice. This is the help to the trader. Here I am not saying it is only one thing that the all traders are cheater, but sometimes lots of the stress of the work, every piece to take and to weight is not possible. So the printed weight is accepted, but when the one piece printed weight is not being found proper, then the whole bunch could be kept in one side and cannot be sold. So the other consumer may not be suffer. That is the point I want to indicate, that every consumer has to be alert about this. Okay, now the next point is consumer should purchase the product in sufficient quality and content only. In sufficient manner, the quality, product, weight should be sufficient is required. He should save himself from purchasing unwanted and unnecessary product by getting attracted from advertisements of free products. Sometimes attraction of the free is making us attract towards adulterated goods. Here the attraction make a person is a normal, but ultimately it not required to be waste of money, that every person has to think. Otherwise the attraction of the additional product at no cost value, but the basic product is adulterated and it is a dangerous, that we have to understand, right my friends. Then the 10th point is coming, while we are purchasing any product, we have to check. See, I am already talking about the things which is possible to measure by weighing scale. That's my point. While we are purchasing any product by doing weighing or measuring, it is necessary to be checked that the measurement unit and weighing scale unit should be verified and approved, tested by laboratory. Because sometime what happens, original weighing scale is written by 250 gram, but when we take the weighing scale in the balance we are taking in hands, actually it is of only 225 gram. So when we are paying the money, we just see the weighing scale of 250 gram, we trust it as the printed. But when we take the weighing scale in hands, sometime it lost its weight in the general manner by using more. So printed 250 is not actual, and instead of that we take 225 gram and we pay for 250. That may not be happen with anyone, so we have to be alert for all these things, right my friends. If the tools are not certified regularly, then we must need to make complaint to, this is the institution I am indicating, Director and Weight Measurement Officer of Legal Metrology Department and Computer Consumer Affairs. They have also their independent administration where they are making alertness about all these things. So neither any kind of the illegal weighing allowed. So such kind of the complaint can be solved, and it makes us vigilant consumer, responsible consumer, and the responsible citizen of the society. Okay. The 11th point is, when we are taking gas cylinders in our home, we need to check upper level, the cylinder is completely sealed, the seal has not been broken from any side, that we have to check. Second, when we are sitting in the taxi or the auto rickshaw, we need to check zero in the meter reading before starting the travel in hired taxi or the hired auto rickshaw. third point in the same topic is when we are going to fill up CNG or the petrol or the diesel in our vehicles, we need to check zero in indicator of the pump. See, all these things is showing our alertness about the different type of measuring. May not be weight come less, neither any kind of the cheating may happen with any person, and neither any kind of the cheating may happen with anyone. That we need to see. Only ourselves is not enough, but the whole society is being affected. That is required to be understand. We have to understand all these things. Okay, now the 12th point is a consumer should either himself go to consumer forum or should make a complaint through consumer society against negligence for improvement of service in railway, bank, insurance, telephone and hospital. If any kind of the harm has been done during these services, should ask for compensation for physical, mental or economical harm due to use of these services, and every consumer has to give detail of such harm in newspaper if it is required to create awareness, so the other consumer may get informed and may not suffer any injustice by any person anyhow. If any judgment comes in favor of any consumer which helped them to be saved from any exploitation by the consumer court's judgment, he should provide information to the others so the other can get help of such judgment and they can get saved from being harassed or exploited by anyhow. The next point is required. Generally, a consumer has to participate in different consumer awareness programs. See, our awareness is great regarding our role as responsible citizen to the society. So, the other consumer may get better result of the movement of consumer protection to protect them from being exploited. That we have to do, right my friends? So here I have discussed today with you about duties of consumers in a whole. Okay.